I never made a video about how the Tomb 45 battery changed my 5-star seniors. So when I got a hold of the Tomb 45 battery for the FX clipper, I thought I was going to experience some kind of performance boost. And when I put it on, I installed it, turned it on, I realized it's pretty much the exact same battery that comes with the Babyliss FX clipper. The thing is, you could change the light. So here's the Tomb 45 battery. Here is the regular battery that comes with the clipper. Now these are a little bit louder because they're older, but there's no power difference between the both. There is a difference between the Senior Eco 45, Tomb 45 battery and the Babyliss replacement battery. Now, if your clipper's battery doesn't work anymore, I would suggest doing the $45 and changing the battery if you're out of warranty and all that. But other than a performance upgrade, you're not going to get that. It's going to be the exact same performance. But this 5-star seniors, you're going to get a lot more performance and a lot more battery life. That is a major upgrade. The 245 battery for these it's a convenient way to replace some dead clippers that the battery failed, but I wouldn't recommend it for anything else. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. We got more videos coming up. We have a podcast coming up to put out more content. So we're gonna be doing a lot more things. So make sure you leave thumbs up, subscribe and all that stuff. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.